You may have learned about dinosaurs in your school, or may have watched them in your movies, but unfortunately, they got extinct millions of years ago. But don't worry, I will bring them back to your screens by high-quality visualizations. Number 1. T-Rex. The Tyrannosaurus rex, meaning tyrant lizard, is the best-known species in the genus Tyrannosaurus. It lived in the late Cretaceous period, 65.5 to 67 million years ago. It may have been an apex predator, but it has also been suggested that it was a scavenger. The forelegs of the T-Rex were small but strong. They may have been used in mating, feeding, or helping the animal rise from a resting position. The hind legs were large and strong and used for running. The tail was long and heavy to counterbalance the huge weight of the head and the body. According to previous representations, the tail served as a support for the body, but this view has been proved wrong. The spine of the T-Rex was nearly horizontal as it walked. The first partial T-Rex skeleton was found in the US in 1900. Since then, more than 30 have been found. They provide scientists with a great deal of information about the characteristics of these ancient reptiles. Number 2. QUETZALCOATLUS. QUETZALCOATLUS was a pterosaur, a type of flying reptile. It lived during the late Cretaceous period, about 65 to 70 million years ago. Its fossils were discovered in the 1970s. It was named after Quetzalcoatlus, a Mesoamerican feathered serpent deity. Recent theories suggest that it was capable of flight, but spent most of its time on the ground. It used both hind legs and forelegs for walking. It was a predator that fed on small vertebrates. Number 3. Triceratops. Triceratops lived approximately 65 to 70 million years ago. It was named after its 3 horns, which together with its bony frill played an important role either in defense or in mating and in the establishment of a pecking order. It was a type of herbivorous dinosaur, using its beak to tear at plants. It had several hundred teeth, which were used for chewing. It fed primarily on plants from the understory. But it was also able to tear down trees to eat their leaves. Number 4. Stegosaurus. The Stegosaurus lived in the Jurassic period, some 145 to 150 million years ago. It had distinctive tail spikes and 2 rows of plates on the back. The latter rose from the skin on the Stegosaurus's back and were not attached to its skeleton. While the tail spikes were most likely used for defense, the back plates probably had thermoregulatory and heat transfer functions as they increased the surface area of the animal. The plates had blood vessels running through them, the diameter of which grew in warm weather, thus intensifying heat transfer. The dermal plates might also have served to increase the apparent size of the animal, thereby deterring predators. Its body mass might have exceeded 5 tons. Its brain was small in proportion to the body, weighing as little as 80 grams. The Stegosaurus was herbivorous, feeding on low-growing plants. It had a toothless beak and cheek teeth. The Stegosaurus is one of the most distinctive and best-known dinosaurs, appearing in a great many films, such as Jurassic Park. Number 5. APATOSAURUS. The APATOSAURUS lived, presumably during the late Jurassic period, 150 million years ago. The body length of the animal reached around 20 meters. Its weight was 30 tons. Despite the dinosaur's immense dimensions, its skull was only about 50 centimeters in length. The APATOSAURUS was a peaceful herbivore. It needed to feed on plants most of the day to obtain sufficient energy for survival. The APATOSAURUS used its long, powerful tail and the claws on its front feet for defense. The animal was probably capable of standing on its hind legs for a short period of time. Number 6. Archaeopteryx. The Archaeopteryx lived about 150 million years ago and is the oldest known bird. Its body length was up to half a meter, approximately the size of a raven. It is described as a transitional form between dinosaurs and birds. It exhibited traits characteristic of dinosaurs, such as teeth and a long bony tail. Anatomical features included reptilian aspects, like the pelvis, which resembled that of reptiles, and 3 fingers with claws on the wings. The first fossil of Archaeopteryx was found in Germany in 1861, and other fossils have since been discovered in Germany, some of which included a full skeleton and plumage. If you liked the video, then drop a comment below and let us know you're ready for part 2.